All right, darling. This how you scalp, bro. Show you real quick. All right, let's go. We on spy, for example. We on spy. We should wait. First of all, we're gonna start here on Tuesday. So on Monday, we came down here and made this little choppiness or whatever. Then we have a gap through Monday through Tuesday from close to open. This is the gap. So you can imagine that all of this over here does not exist. Imagine that just does not exist. So what we would be waiting for is price to come back down, touch this gap. Either see we have to wait for price to come back down and see how it reacts to this gap. So we'll go down to a lower time frame for a scalp. Since we're trying to scalp, we want to get a precise entry. So at that same point, we'll wait for price to come down here. It does this little reaction, but it's not making a lower low rather than opening price. And then it came down here and created a higher low or equal low or higher low, whatever you want to call it. I say equal because price came, touch, never went lower than this. So that's an equal low. That's signs of a reversal. So if price was going down originally and it creates an equal low, a sign of reversal would be to the opposite direction. Now, on Tuesday, I was not looking at this. I wasn't looking at it on a 3 minute time frame or 1 minute time frame. I was looking at it on a 15 or an hourly. So I would immediately think price created a gap. First red candle I see, I'm selling. So it can fill this gap, then go back up. But that's not what happened. Gaps do not have to get filled. Now, for a scalp, it would simply wait the price to come back to the gap that it created and bounce off of it. And this is where we'll place our trade 2 to 3 green candles away from the gap, from the imbalance zone, from support and resistance. 2 to 3 candles, or in other words, a confirmation. So our stop loss. Now, this stop loss is way too big for SPY. Just in case you wanted to put it down here, but I would simply put it below opening price, which is here. Trail it 2 to 1. 2 to 1 is already hit. So you can really hold SPY until a target price or a swing high. So if our trade is down here, the next swing high is actually here. Now you wouldn't want to hold your trade that high because I don't think SPY is going up there. But I would hold it until this gap is filled, this gap in price, because on Tuesday it hasn't been touched yet. This gap has not been filled yet on Tuesday. It's down here on Tuesday. So we would buy up until this point, and it already touched that point. As you can see, it touched that point. So you would have got a 5 to 1. Simple scalp, easy scalp. Now you could have hold this all the way throughout Tuesday. Oops. Hold it throughout Tuesday. Catch the highest. Well, Tuesday went up here actually. Tuesday stopped here. Still could have caught plenty pips. Plenty. What's this? 3 to 1. Can't really tell. Yeah, 3.8 to 1.